Good evening, everyone. Chief Minister to visit Dadri June 5 will be chief guest at state level World Environment Day program. Haryana Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini will visit Charkhi Dadri on June 5, where he will participate as the chief guest in the state level World Environment Day program. In preparation for the event, officials from the Forest Department and district administration convened a review meeting to discuss and finalize the necessary arrangements. According to the government spokesperson, the state level event is being organized in Dadri to commemorate World Environment Day. Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini will formally inaugurate a Miyawaki technique-based forest area in the district by planting spellings in the program is scheduled to begin at am. 8 a.m. Adding significance to the occasion, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi will also address the gathering by a video conference. In addition to the Chief Minister, several dignitaries, including state cabinet ministers, MLAs, and other key guests, are expected to be in attendance. To ensure smooth execution of the event, a preparatory meeting was held on Monday by the concerned departments. Senior officials, including Additional Principal Chief Conservator T.B. Singh, Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, Additional Deputy Commissioner Dr. Munish Nagpal, Forest Conservator V. Nivedita Bhojrajan, SDM Dr. Virendra Singh, Ashish Sangwan, and various departmental officials who are present and contributed to the discussions on event planning and execution. Hearing and resolving the problems of the common man is our responsibility. Sunil Sarpal Sangwan. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan held a public hearing at the BJP party office, gave instructions for resolving the problems. BJP's Dadri MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan said that hearing and resolving the problems of the common man is our responsibility. He is constantly making efforts to resolve the problems of the common man and priority and for the development of Dadri. In the coming days, the development of the projects being run by the state government will be visible on the ground. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan held a public hearing at the BJP party office on Monday and listened to the problems of the people. During this, people from the constituency informed the MLA about many problems, including electricity, water, sewerage. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan gave instructions to the officials about the solution on the spot. The MLA also said that the development of Dadri will be taken forward as per inspections of the people. He also said that the goal of the BJP's deputy government is clear that government facilities should reach every person on time. We are continuously working with full dedication, energy, and commitment for the all round development of the area. Electricity bill interest waiver scheme is in force. Consumers can avail. Consumers can avail additional 10% discount. Haryana Energy Department Secretary and Managing Director of South Haryana Electricity Distribution Corporation A. Srinivas said that the interest waiver scheme 2025 is in force Electricity consumers should take advantage of this interest waiver scheme. Soon, default consumers have to take advantage of this scheme immediately, as this scheme is for a short period. Under this scheme, connected and disconnected consumers of all private consumer categories, agriculture category, government, municipality, gram panchayat, state government, and other public service utility. In the industrial and other categories located in both rural and urban areas will get it benefit. This scheme is valid for such consumers who were defaulters of the Electricity Corporation till 31st August 2024 and still remain defaulters. The managing director said that if lump sum payment is made, then all eligible domestic and agriculture consumers will be given a discount of 10% on the principal amount, and the entire interest will be waived. Under this scheme, the total late payment charge till the date of notification of the scheme will be waived off for all categories of consumers. Domestic consumers who decided to participate in the scheme will have the option to pay the outstanding principal amount till the date of notification in lump sum and in 8 monthly and 4 bi-monthly installments. The outstanding interest amount will be waived off in installments along with regular payment of at current monthly and 4 bi-monthly bills. Agriculture category consumers will have the option to pay the outstanding principal amount in lump sum and in three billing cycle for agriculture consumers is once in 4 months. The outstanding surcharge amount will be waived off in installments along with regular payment of three current bills consumers with government, municipality, gram panchayat, state government, and other public service utility connections who decided to participate in the scheme will have the option to pay the outstanding principal amount till date of notification in lump sum and will interest will be waived off. In case of consumers of industrial and other categories paying 50% of the surcharge amount along with the total principal amount in lump sum, the remaining 50% surcharge amount will be waived off. If the consumer defaults in payment of six current bills, the full surcharge amount will be recovered. Defaulting consumers can pay the outstanding amount in given installments. In case of any missed installment, the outstanding amount has to be paid along with the current installments up to the last installment. Otherwise, your full interest will be refunded and the consumer will be treated and of the scheme. He informed that in case of disconnected consumers on payment of lump sum amount and on payment of first installment of principal amount, recognition will be done after charging the applicable recognition order fee, provided that the connection should be disconnected within 6 months for all categories except agriculture category. Connection in agriculture category cannot be disconnected for more than 2 years. In case of connection older than 6 months and 2 years, as the case may be, the applicant will be treated as a new consumers who withdraw the case can also avail the benefit. Cases of wrongdoing should be rectified as per the instructions of the Electricity Corporation. Consumers whose cases are currently in any judicial form due to billing disputes can take advantage of this scheme by withdrawing the case. The consumer who withdraws the case will be eligible to avail the benefit of this scheme. Defaulting consumers of all categories can avail the benefits of this scheme before time. Samadhan camps are proving too important in resolving complaints with the aim of quick resolution of the problems of the citizens. The state government organized a Samadhan camp in the auditorium of the mini secretariat on Monday. This camp was chaired by Nagaradhis Jitendra Kumar. He listened to the problems of the citizens present seriously and instructed the officials of the concerned departments to ensure the resolution of each complaint on priority basis and in a timely manner. He said that public service is the top priority of the administration. Samadhan camps are a powerful medium to establish direct communication between the administration and the general public. Strength, transparency, and accountability, and the camps are also proving to be important and resolving complaints. During the camp, problem related to the property ID, family identity card, land registration, social welfare, pension, ration card, and extra were permanent. In the most of the cases, action was taken by the concerned departments towards resolution on the spot. The Samadhan camp is a part of the state-wide campaign run under the guidance of Chief Minister Sri Nayab Singh Saini, which aims to provide smooth, transparent, and quick administrative services to the general public. So friends, thank you very much for this watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So thank you, take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.